lang siya. Kakasya lang siya. Dalawa lang na slides. Tumapidyo. Focus yung yan.
Ba't iba yung sabi?
Pero ito muna, mag-play na lang.
Dapat ano ba? Masasakay sa dito. Delay pa lang lens ninyo for guns, LTO.
Ito, check mo na. I-adjust mo na siya, focus na.
Sa water, okay na kayo?
Okay, sa water yung sa una, tapos ito with iodine. Water. Tapos itong pangalawa is for iodine. Nakita niyo na? Droplets. Tapos yung isa naman without betadine. Tapos yung isa with betadine. Ganun yun.
So, na slide?
Apat.
Apat na slide?
Focus na lang.
Sipat na sipat to. Mabuso. Ito.
Nakikita mo na. Gagamitin mo ito pa. Hindi lang ako. Focus mo kung medyo malaki. Mas lang mo ka parang mas na...
Ayaw mag-play mo kamo.
Nakita mo na?
Nakita mo.
Tingin!
Hi guys! Tapos pagdating sa...
Mas maganda pa ng ano filter. Balikas ka sa ano ba dami na dito yung lang. Tapos ito,
Hindi ka na mahirapan.
tama ba yan?
Oo, kasi may gloves
Parang
na
mali.
siya. Kasi may gloves na siya.
Baka masyadong masikip.
Sa kanya, masikip talaga sa kanya.
Alright, guys. Sino gusto mag-volunteer? Hindi. Sino? Dali. Magtatawag ako. Randomly. O, volunteer na lang. Okay, dalawa na lang. Dalawa lang. Loren, sa kaya.
Gusto mo na ba?
Isa-isa lang. Hand washing later na lang. Again, ganito magiging flow natin ha. Hindi ako magtatalong-talong. Mas subukan ng demonstration. It's up to you to stay in your rationalization. Don't worry kasi pwede mong talalo. Okay.
Para mabibigyan din.
Baka na kayo ng mga guys kasi ang dami na.
Kaya nga, at saka nakaharap ka. Diba dati parang
One-on-one lang. Routine demonstration with the whole class.
Let's go guys.
It's my turn.
Nakasan mo parang maraming.
The question is, the nurse is removing PPE after caring for a patient in an isolated room. Which PPE should you remove first? Isolated, we need to remove first the, as always, the gloves. Do an assessment. We need to do a planning. Before we touch the PPE, we need to make sure that we perform hand washing for us to prevent any spread of contamination. We're going to put this, the coverage like an ordinary plastic. And once everything is okay, folding the glove, make sure that you do it gracefully. PPE on the neck part, and please don't touch the outside of the gown because we need to consider it as the cleanest part of the gown. And after we wear it, we need to tie it. First, we need to tie it on the neck.
Why?
And consider that the lower part is the most dirtiest. Like this ascending isolation.
Isolation, what the word? I like that.
And after that, this time, just make sure that you prevent touching the outside part. And then, after we tie the gown, we need to proceed wearing the face mask. What I've got here is the N. Hands is in between of the gloves and the rubber.
I have a question. Diba, sabi natin, minimize handling the surface of the item. But the thing is, with N95, we are handling the entire cup. Why do you think this? We need to handle everything, the surface. It's N95. Alam naman natin, pag N95, 95%, we are fully protected. So it's okay. At nag-hand wash ka naman diba before?
And wearing the N95, we're gonna put it like this. And The place in that piece of the upper part. And this upper part we're gonna put it above our ears. And this lower part we're gonna put it at the back of our neck. Like that.
Taas mo pa.
To make sure that we suspend the air going out.